Here's Bennett doing some tummy time. If we put our hand back here, he'll go on a little journey. He might be crying, but he secretly likes it. You gonna roll over? Time out for sucking on the hand. Alright, let's go, buddy. Say hey, Mr. Bennett. Oh, there goes lunch.